Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I created this look using one palette, so please keep on watching. Taking Colourpop's main squeeze palette, I'll be using the shade Like It's Hot and applying it all over my crease. Then I'm creating a small wing at the ends, then I'm blending out the edges for a seamless look. Next, I'm taking the color Red Bottoms to darken my crease a little bit more, then I'm blending that color out. Now I'm just cutting my crease with my HOLYGRAIL concealer, and I'm adding a small wing at the end. For my lid, I'm using the color Juicy Fruit and applying it at the top of my lid. Under the gold, I'll be applying the shade Maraschino and Baywatch, and I'm just going back and forth between those colors with a wet brush to intensify them, creating like a ombre effect. Next, I'm taking WetnWild's Precious Petals highlight, and I'm putting that in my inner corner and as my brow bone highlight. Then I added some falsies and mascara on my bottom lash line. For my lips, I'm taking HOLYGRAIL's lip liner in the shade Cafe and NYX's lip liner in brown. I used the darker color first, then I filled in my lips with the lighter color and topped it off with a gloss. For blush, I used Colourpop's Super Shock Cheek Shadow in the shade Drop of a Hat. For my highlight, I used Fenty's MoHoney highlight. And to set everything in place, I used Milani's Make It Last setting spray. And this is the finished look. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to join the family, leave any video suggestions in the comments below. I love you guys and thank you so much for watching. Bye!